And our song for today is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Our song for today is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Let us sing the song first before we learn it in tonic-solfas. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Hope you enjoy the song. Now, we can learn it in tonic-solfas. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Do, do, so, so, la, la, so. Fa, fa, mi, re, do. So, so, fa, mi, re. So, so, fa, mi, re. Do, so, la, so. Fa, mi, do. Do, so, la, so. Fa, mi, do. So, fa, mi, re. So, fa, mi, re. Do, so, la, so. Fa, mi, re, do. Do, so, la, so. Fa, mi, re, do. So, fa, mi, re. So, fa, mi, re. Do, so, la, so. Fa, mi, re, do. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day, the day of joy. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day, the day of joy. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day. Children, do you enjoy the song? Okay, let's go to the tonic-solfas. Now, we want to sing it in tonic-solfas. Are you ready with me? Okay, let's go. Mi, so, la, so, fa, mi. mi, so, fa, re, so, la, so, mi, so, so, la, so, fa, mi, so, fa, so, mi, so, so, la, so, fa, mi, so, fa, re, so, la, mi, so, so, la, so, fa, mi, so, fa, so, mi, so, so, la, so, fa, mi, so, fa, re, so, la, mi, so, so, la, so, fa, mi, so, fa, so, mi. Like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.